At the outset, bravo salute to the commanding officer, officers and men of Mahe, and all those involved in this ceremony for such a fine arrangement and outstanding ceremony. It's indeed a moment of immense pride and profound sense of honor to be present at the commissioning ceremony of INS Mahe, first of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow water crafts being built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. Today's ceremony not only marks the induction of a potent new platform to our maritime order of battle, but also reaffirms our nation's increasing capability to design, construct, and field complex combatants with indigenous technology. Named after the historic coastal town of Mahe, a symbol of India's maritime legacy, the ship embodies the spirit of innovation and service.